In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot Pages. We'll explore how to turn a Copilot chat response into a dynamic, editable document. This feature is incredibly helpful for tasks like brainstorming, project planning, outlines, drafts, and collaborative work. To begin, open Microsoft Copilot or the Microsoft 365 Copilot app. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account. This step is important as it ensures that your work is connected to your profile and can be easily accessed later. Once you're in, engage with Copilot by asking a question or requesting content. For instance, say, create a marketing plan for a new coffee shop. Copilot will generate a response based on your input. When you see the response, click on Edit this response or simply click the pencil icon. This is where the magic begins, letting you transform that response into a document. Next, choose to create a new page. This action opens the content in a page where you can continue editing. It's important because it allows you to refine and adapt the information directly within a document format. Now that the page is open, you're free to type directly into it. You can format text using options like bold, italic, and underline to emphasize key points. Use headings to organize sections clearly. You can also create bulleted and numbered lists, which are perfect for outlining steps or tasks. Tables can be inserted for structured data, links for referencing external sites, and even code blocks if you're working with technical content. The best part is that changes are saved automatically, ensuring that you never lose your progress. When you're inside a page and you want Copilot's assistance, simply highlight the text or place your cursor where you need help. Then select Ask. Enter a request such as make this more professional, expand this section, or summarize this paragraph. Copilot will suggest changes which you can review. Click Apply Revision to accept these changes or reject to discard them. This feature is particularly effective for refining content and enhancing professionalism. To find saved pages later, open Copilot and access your conversation history or library. If needed, select Show All Pages. Click on a page to reopen it and continue your work. This step ensures that you can always return to your documents and pick up where you left off. Sharing a page is straightforward. In Microsoft 365 Copilot, you can share pages with coworkers via Microsoft 365 Teams and Outlook. This functionality is vital for collaborative editing, allowing team members to view and edit the same page in real time. Collaborative work becomes seamless, enhancing productivity and fostering teamwork. Microsoft Copilot pages are versatile and can be used for various purposes. Whether you're preparing project plans, compiling meeting notes, creating study guides, outlining blog posts, designing marketing campaigns, summarizing research, or developing checklists and action plans, Pages provide a robust platform for your needs. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at using Microsoft Copilot Pages. By following these steps, you can transform Copilot chat responses into actionable documents that are easy to edit and share. Thank you for watching, and happy creating!